What's global warming? Global warming is the average temperature of Earth has increased since 1950 until now. The temperature continuing increasing. Global warming can also refer to climate change that causes an increase in the average of temperature. However, global warming are caused by natural events and humans that are believed to be contribute to increasing average temperatures. Global warming is a serious issue and is not a single problem, but a number of environmental matters. Global warming is a rising the surface temperature of the Earth that has strained various life forms on the Earth. The issues that cause global warming are divided into categories include natural and human influence of global warming.
Natural cause of global warming. The climate has continuously changing for centuries. The global warming happens because the natural rotation of the sun that changes the intensity of the sunlight and moving closer to the earth. Another cause of global warming is greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas are carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. It traps the solar rays and prevent it from escaping from the surface of the earth. This has caused temperature of the earth increase. Volcanic eruptions are another issue that cause global warming. For instance, a single volcanic eruption will release amount of carbon dioxide and ash to the atmosphere. One carbon dioxide increase, the temperature of Earth increase, and greenhouse trap the solar radiation in the Earth.
Greenhouse gas will stay in the atmosphere for many years since 100 years ago. However, the effect that global warming will cause on air are extremely serious. There are many effects that will happen in the future. If global warming continues, that includes polar ice caps melting, economic consequences, warmer weather, and more hurricanes, spread of disease, and earthquake. First effect polar ice cap melting and the temperature increase. The ice in the north will melt. When the ice melts, the first effect will be rise on sea level because the melting gases become oxide. Another effect is the species loss of habitat. Species that include polar bears and tropical frogs will be extinct due to climate change. Besides, various birds will migrate to other places because animals are not like humans. They cannot adapt the habitat that changes. They live in all temperature.
Human influence on global warming. Human influence has been a very serious issue now because humans do not take care of the air. Humans that cause global warming are more than natural cause global warming. The air has been changing for many years. Due to now it is still changing because of most lifestyle of humans. Human activity include industrial production, burning fossil fuel, meaning cultural rearing or deforestation. First issue is industrial revolution. Industrial have been using fossil fuel for power machine. Everything that we use involved in fossil fuel. For example, when we buy a mobile phone, the process of making mobile phone have involved machines, and machines use fossil fuel. During the process, carbon dioxide is released to the atmosphere. Besides industrial transportation, such as car is also releasing carbon dioxide from exhaust. Another issue is mining. During the process of mining, the methane will trap below the air. Besides, rearing culture will also cause methane because culture release the from of miner. However, culture is important because it makes the latter equally responsible of the occurrence of global warming.
About solutions to tough global warming. Now there are solutions that we can tough global warming. However, we humans and governments need to move forward to implement the global warming solutions. To reduce global warming, we can do to reduce the contribution of greenhouse gas to the atmosphere. Therefore, the solutions that we can reduce global warming are reducing gasoline, electricity, and other activities that cause global warming. If a person every day drives to work, they need to pump petrol after 3 days and causes carbon dioxide. Another way to reduce gasoline is take public transport or carpool to work. It can help reduce carbon dioxide and save costs. Humans should stop upon burning such as burning scrap fleet or burning garbage. It will release carbon dioxide and toxics if burning garbage with lactate. Besides, governments should reduce the deforestation because the Earth's temperatures and increasing trees will help to improve the temperatures on Earth.
And about conclusion, overall of this assignment, I have understood that our species need to help the earth. Global warming has caused many problems for humans, but humans who make global warming happen. Many people have died because of disease or disaster. It also affects the economy. However, we need to reduce the global warming by using it better. Recycle, and humans should have to reduce global warming instead of making the earth temperature increase. We should start taking care of the earth because in the next generation they will suffer if we do not reduce greenhouse. Therefore, global warming is a serious issue now. As a student, we are learning it because we need to understand the effect of climate change that will affect us when we have our business and we can start serving the earth.